Hello, welcome to Autisteck. Today we are going to be taking a look at my Barrhead thrift shop haul. I bought all this tomorrow, and there's some stuff that I don't include because gave some of it to Elliot. Yeah, let's see what we got. We'll save that for last. First up, we got all of it for $15, by the way. First up, we got Peggle Knights. Yeah, I like the original Peggle game, and played the demo a bit. Here it is. Here's a disc. Yeah, nothing. Pretty self-explanatory. And says it requires 2000 XP Vista, out macOS Tiger, macOS Leopard. Yeah, and yes, I haven't played it yet, but yeah. First Peggle was great, so I can imagine this being good. We'll see if it works on my my Dell Latitude. Okay, we also have Arena Football for the original Xbox. I might not be rare, but I feel like Arena Football games might be a bit rare or just highly sought after or something. But so I got it. And there's also two other original Xbox games that I had. We had Burnout Revenge and Pac-Man World 2. And Pac-Man World 2 came with the cover art for Sega GT and Jet Set Radio Future. But I gave those two to Elliot. He's not really into sports games, so I decided to keep this one. Yeah, I don't have that many original Xbox games. Next, we got Punch Much. It's basically kids much music. Disappointing. I haven't listened to yet, but I looked at it and it's disappointingly not mixed because it's the best. But it might be better for people who don't like the mixes. And yeah, it just has some songs on it. Here's the songs. Yeah, this is from 2007, and yeah, there's that. Also got a Lightscribe HP CD. I don't have a computer with a Lightscribe disc. Wait, does that one have it? I don't even know because the cover's gone. And yeah, here it is. It has blank, so you can put your own designs on it. It has a little ring there, but it's hard to see. It's from 2004, this one. And if I can find a computer with a Lightscribe disk drive, maybe I can use this. And our last thing is this is a big one. It's a Dragon Dictation, or Naturally Speaking, it's called. It's called Dragon Dictation for from version 11 from 2010, the Home Edition. Wish it was premium, but probably a bit expensive. This is I don't really have any computers that this would work on. Not gonna put it on my Vista because I have explain something. It's impossible to find gateway drivers. That's a gateway laptop, and I can't find them anywhere, so it's stuck in crap mode. And XP, I do have the drivers, but I'm not wasting 2 gigabytes on that laptop, and it might not even work because it's a laptop from 04. But I could try, but I'm not going to right now. And this one, it's like speech recognition with a bunch of features. Comes with a headset, which is very cheap. Comes with a serial number, which you're not knowing. It says it needs 2.5 gigabytes of free space, which is kind of annoying. If I find another computer, we'll install this on it. It says Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, and could work on 10, but I highly doubt it. And yeah, let's stop explaining and look inside the box. That's it. Got our crappy headset. I don't know why it requires 2 plugs. Shouldn't, because it's very cheap. But you get when you get that. The quick reference card and the disc. Oh crap! I probably exposed that, but I don't care. Okay, and I probably didn't expose it. Here's the disc itself. You're not getting my serial number. And yeah, this is a good find. I wish it was premium. That would have been a bit more expensive. This is a really good find for software, and it's hard to find software. And yeah, hopefully can find a computer soon that I can install this on. Yep. And that is my Barrhead thrift shop haul. And yeah, it's kind of small right now because I gave those 2 games away. But it has some good stuff, especially Dragon Dictation. And so overview, we got Peggle Knights, Arena Football, Burnout Revenge, Pac-Man World 2, HP Light Scribe CD, Punch Much CD, and Dragon Dictation. And that's my Barrhead first shop haul. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.